This video will take you through the steps to apply your scleral lens with a plunger. Always thoroughly wash your hands with non-moisturizing soap and dry them completely with a lint-free towel before you begin. To begin, you will need to have a clean work surface and the following supplies: a soft towel to be placed on top of the work surface, a mirror, an application plunger, a removal plunger, and preservative-free saline. Only freshly opened preservative-free saline that has been opened for less than 48 hours should be used to fill the lens. Marking the bottle of saline with the date it is opened will help remind you when it's time to throw it away. Holding it gently by the edges, apply the clean and disinfected lens to the application plunger by gently squeezing the plunger at the line while placing the lens on the cup and releasing the squeeze. One dot represents the right lens and 2 dots represent the left. If 1 or 2 dots are present, orient the lens so that the dots will be applied in the 12 o'clock position on your eye. Holding the plunger vertically, overfill the lens with preservative-free saline. To prevent bubbles from forming, let the solution drip, not stream, into the lens. Overfilling will improve your chances of a bubble-free application. Hold the eyelids at the edge where the lashes meet the lids. The contact points should be centered on both lids to form a perfectly round opening with plenty of clearance for the lens. Darlene is using a C-spread. Now tuck your chin to your chest and look straight down. Your forehead should be even with your chin and your face parallel to the table. Begin to approach your eyes steadily with the plunger. The lens and plunger must be centered within your lid opening, and your focus must remain on the black hole in the center of the plunger. Continue to stare at the black hole in the plunger as if you were looking through it. Some people find it useful to shut the eye that they are not applying the lens onto. As you continue approaching, you will feel the coolness of the fluid, but you are not there yet. Press the lens onto your eye with firm pressure. Capture the lens with your eyelids by releasing the lids. Maintain the upward pressure on the lens while squeezing the plunger completely to release the plunger. The lens has now been released onto your eye. Now check the lens in the mirror. Shine a pen light or mobile phone light at an angle onto the surface and look for the presence of bubbles. If you detect bubbles, the lens must be removed and reapplied. Clean the plunger with warm soapy water and let it air dry.